friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the display comparison of the POCO X3 versus the Realme X2 device. As you can see, friends, so this can be the best comparison between the both of the smartphones, which are close to the price range in the mid-range segment mobile phones. So where so many people they did ask me to compare the POCO X3 with the Realme 7 Pro device, but at the moment I don't have the Realme 7 Pro, but I do have the Realme X2 device. So I thought of doing the display comparison between both of the smartphones so that you will get a clear idea about the Realme 7 Pro as well. So right now I'm using the POCO X3 device here and the Realme X2 smartphone. So in case if you are planning to buy the POCO X3, then definitely make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also to check the links in description for the playlist of the POCO X3. You can find so many interesting videos on the POCO X3 which I have already uploaded, as you can see here. So try to follow me here, and you can find so many interesting videos every day I'll be uploading in my channel. And one thing is that I won't be editing any part of this video, so which includes the display comparison. So this is my way of doing the display comparison. I won't be editing any colors or any brightness levels, so you will know actually which display is the best while for watching videos. And as you can see, the Realme X2 has a Super AMOLED panel, so whereas the same thing is present in the Realme 7 Pro as well, Super AMOLED panel. So this can be the best example. And POCO X3 has the IPS LCD panel. So this is a quick comparison, and screen size 6.4 inches versus 6.67 inches, as you can see clearly. That's it, friends. This is the basic specifications of the Realme X2 Pro. There is nothing much special about this phone apart from having Super AMOLED panel. So here the POCO X3 device has a 120Hz refresh rate, so that is an added bonus in this smartphone. And now let me open the settings what are the present here at the moment. And before starting the display test as well, I'll be showing this kind of exactly what settings I'm choosing in my comparison, so that you can get a clear idea about the colors and everything. You can see the Realme X2 has a vivid mode as well, and I did enable the vision effect as well. So right now I'll be playing the same video in both the smartphones, playing side by side. So let's see which display will be the clear winner. So right now I'll be playing in the studio lighting effect, and later on without studio lighting effect as well. So as you can see, friends, right now I'm playing the same video in both the smartphones, which are having full brightness at the moment. So both are having the higher brightness level settings. So one thing I did notice is that the Realme X2 has a more brightness and saturation level. So if you observe the trees on the side, you can clearly see the difference in terms of the brightness and saturation level. So this is what I did notice straight away every time. So every time I'll be playing this kind of video, so I can point out exactly what's the difference and which areas you need to concentrate. Try to concentrate this part so you can actually feel the difference as well. So now let me try to slowly decrease the studio lighting effect, so that you can actually understand the displays better. Under low light performance, how they are doing well as well, you need to know which display is the best. And one thing is that the Realme X2 is pretty good and very low light mobile phone, low weight mobile phone, sorry. So right now, as you can see, friends, these are the viewing angles of both the smartphones. So overall, in terms of the colors and accuracy, saturation levels and contrast, the Realme X2 Pro is a very better phone, I can definitely say straight away, because of having the Super AMOLED panel phones. So now let me try to decrease the brightness to 10%, as you can see 10, and next to the 5%, 5 and 0. And both are doing pretty good job in the zero mode as well. So that is another advantage if you are watching the movies or anything during the night time as well. So overall, friends, in the POCO X3 there is an advantage of having bigger screen, 120Hz refresh rate. So that is a 2 plus point for the POCO X3. And Realme X2 has a 2 advantage of having one compact, very good form factor, not big screen, and very less weight as well, and Super AMOLED panel display. That is also another bonus advantage in the Realme X2 Pro. So that's it, friends. This is a quick display comparison, and overall the clear winner is a Realme X2 device, not the Pro, Realme X2 phone, as you can see. So in the Realme X2, the colors are very good. So far I like the display in the Realme X2 only, not the POCO X3 device. So that's it for this video, friends. For more videos, make sure to subscribe and follow the playlist if you want to know in detail information regarding the POCO X3 smartphone. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.